Hey, how's it going? Chad from DashClicks, and thank you for joining me on this DashClicks demo mini webinar. I'm going to give you just a very short, brief synopsis of what DashClicks can do for your agency and how it can help you either make more money or save more money or scale your agency faster. Those are really the three things that I want to focus on today in today's mini demo, right? So DashClicks can obviously do a lot. I'm not going to go into all the ins and outs, but I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what it can actually do. So first and foremost, I thought it would probably be best to show you what DashClicks can do inside of an account that I'm personally using ourselves. So just like you, I have an agency. I've had an agency since 2009. In fact, that's how DashClicks actually started. It came from building technology that we needed to help grow our actual agency, and then we kind of shared it with the world, and now DashClicks is in almost every single country, and we staff over 100 employees, and it's been a magical roller coaster. But without further ado, so this is our agency that we have. It's called Social Agency. So within this account, there's like real campaigns running, real analytics, real clients, real deals that are happening in here. So I thought, why not just share my screen and show you what we're doing in our agency and how we're actually using DashClicks, because we're a customer of DashClicks, which is the coolest part. So let's kind of go through here. So first thing you'll notice is, and like I said, you probably came in from one specific use case. Maybe you saw an ad about InstaSites, which is like our instant website builder, or InstaReports, which is our instant performance grader, or deal automations, which is a way for you to automate your deal pipeline, right? There's many different use cases in which people are using DashClicks, but if you go over here on the top right, you'll basically see a menu. And the way that we built DashClicks is different apps, and that's kind of what we call it here, right? So we have our contacts app, our deals app, conversations, billing, inbound, right? And all of these other apps, and the cool part about it is they all work seamlessly with each other throughout the entire platform. And I'll kind of go through it here, and I'll go through each app one by one really quick, but I'm going to make it super quick because obviously I respect your time. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Contacts. So this is your standard CRM system. So maybe you're using like Pipedrive or Salesforce or HubSpot. This can replace that. You will no longer need any of those tools. And if you go to any one of these contact cards, you can see that this is like an enterprise level CRM system. I mean, you can do a lot in here, right? All the way from emailing and messaging to setting reminders and tasks for yourself, to basically, having granular visibility over contacts. A lot that you can do here, right? And different entities, so people in business contacts. So that's kind of our contacts app. And what's cool is if you are using any other CRM system, we do have an import option. So you can literally just click on this and just upload your CSV file, and all your contacts will literally get uploaded within seconds. So the transition from one CRM system to another is really, really seamless. And obviously you're an agency owner, you're probably working deals. So here's one of the pipelines that we have going. This is for one of our real estate campaigns that we're running. And I'll show you some really cool stuff that we're doing here, but it's not just like any old sales pipeline manager, right? So we kind of took the pipeline manager to another level. So once again, if you're using like Pipedrive or HubSpot or any other pipeline management system to manage your pipelines, you can do that all in here. Also, we have an import feature where you can import all of your deals in here just by uploading a CSV file. And it's pretty simple, right? If I actually open up a deal, once again, you can see that there's a lot of features inside of here that you can do. I'm not going to go into all the features, but I do want to touch on something that's really, really cool. So as you can see, we have our pipeline here, and these are all the stages that we're running within this specific pipeline. And if I just click on this little tab called Deal Automations, you can see exactly what we're doing. So when a deal comes in, instantly we're sending them a text message. If they don't answer, we're sending them a text message. If they are scheduled, we're tagging them in our system so we can do further automations, right? If they no-show to our phone call, right, to our scheduled call, then we send them a text message, we tag them, and then we move them over into a different campaign, which is reactivation, right? If they go into this specific stage, we're texting them, right? So like all of this stuff that's happening, our pipeline's fully automated, and what that allows us to do is it allows our sales reps to just focus on closing deals, which is really what we want to do in the first place. We don't want to be emailing people or text messaging people or tagging people or like any of those things. We We want to just jump on calls and close deals. And that's really the visibility that we've given you guys here to do, right? Also, we have full-blown reporting. We have automations log, so if you're familiar with like Zapier or things like that, so you can see kind of all the automations that are happening here and which ones are successful, which ones are not. For those of you guys who like to view deals in different layouts, we have a list view, we also have a table view as well, and our board view. So that's pretty much our deals app. Next app that we have is conversations. So this is probably one of the most popular apps. We have two-way texting, two-way email, and also full-blown live chat. So if you actually go to our website as an example, so this is our website. I'll just move myself over here for a second, and you'll see that we have like a full-blown live chat. So this is, we just give you a little snippet of code, you copy and paste it on your website, and you have a full-blown live chat on your actual website, which can basically port in all messages in real time. So if somebody's opening up live chats with you, all that's coming in right here. We also have a mobile app on iOS and Android, which you can download our mobile app and have full-blown two-way conversations and get push notifications every time somebody messages you, right? And you can also, once again, send outbound messages from here. Any automations that you have that are going out on the platform, if anybody responds to those messages, those all get pulled in here. You can also get super granular and super creative with this, so you can customize your messenger, you can add your team, you can create different support channels, right? So if somebody wants to speak to your billing team, you can create routing and do really cool stuff with the Conversations app. So that's kind of Conversations. It's basically where you and your whole team communicate with each other. Also, you can reassign tickets to other members. You can snooze tickets. So this is like a full-blown, so if you're using like Intercom or Zendesk or any other live chat system, this will completely replace that, and you can use this moving forward. Next is our billing app, which is really cool. It's actually an app that we just recently released. We just hooked up a Stripe account that's fairly new that we hooked up in January, but you can already see our agencies starting to make some sales here in this month. And what's really cool here is you just integrate your Stripe account and we map it to all of your contacts. You automatically have data. You can do further automations. If you go to the customers tab, you can literally see all of your customers on your left-hand side here. You can see all of their subscriptions. You can manage their payments, payment methods, manage subscriptions, invoices, like process payments if I want to come in here and create a new subscription or create a new invoice. All of those things, or add even a new customer, right? This is a full-blown two-way sync with Stripe. So anything that you do in here, it will automatically sync it up with Stripe. So you basically think about it like this. You never need to log into Stripe ever again. We also added a lot of functionality on top of this app, and we're continuously adding it. That allows you to do so many other cool things like text to pay and email to pay and things like that, right? And that's our billing app. So you no longer need to log into Stripe ever again. You can do all of that in here. And once again, this integrates with other apps like, automations and stuff that you can do to automate your billing pretty much. Inbound is a really cool app. This is actually something that's really cool. You can see this is active. We have leads coming in here right now. So like I told you before, we have a Facebook ads campaign that's running, and it's a form fill campaign. So if somebody goes and clicks on it and fills out the form, those leads all get populated into here, right? And the campaign is easy to set up. It literally takes less than 1 minute. We have an integration, one-click integration with all these major sources. So like Facebook ads, if you're running funnels through like ClickFunnels or InstaPage or Phone Sites or Kartra or any of those things, you can pull that data right into here. If you're using our form builder, which we have, we'll get into in a minute, you can pull all the form submissions into here. So think about inbound as a way for you to not only pull all of your leads in from all the inbound traffic that you're generating, but you can also assign it to rep. You can round robin your leads to rep. You can send notifications in real time to your reps to let them know that, hey, you just got a brand new lead coming in and here's the lead information. Call them ASAP. As you can see here, we have like a lead freshness. And you can obviously see all of your leads here. What's cool about this is here's a cool use case that we're doing here, which saves us so much time. A lead comes in from Facebook ads, like this lead just came in, GAN, AIM, right? And you can see all the lead information. We have this set. All you do is you just check the little box when you're setting up your campaign. It does this all automatically, right? It'll automatically create a contact inside of our CRM system. So if we go here, there she is, GAN, AIM. Not only that, it will automatically create a deal inside of our pipeline for our sales team. There it is, get in, right? It will associate everything, so you can see that right here that the person is associated to it. So everything is literally 100% automated. Also, now that this person just came in with our deal automations, she's instantly getting a text message. If she responds back, we get that right in conversations, right? So like all the way from getting the lead to actually automating the first couple of touches and setting it up in the CRM and that's all automated. We don't do any of that. We just focus on closing deals, right? So this is the inbound app, really, really powerful. InstaSites is probably also one of our most powerful prospecting tools. We have over 333 templates across almost every niche that you can think of. And what's really cool about this is you literally just come in here, you pick a template that you want. Let's say if you want this specific attorney template, you just click Build InstaSite, and you can select a contact from your CRM system, right? Let's say if I want to select this contact, and you just click Continue, and it literally builds that website, takes all of the person's information, and injects it and builds that person a custom website in like 10 seconds, right? And then you just go over here and you can see all of your InstaSites right here. You can see we're building InstaSites. We just recently sold an InstaSite the other day, not too long ago. So, I mean, like, guys, we're living and breathing this too in our agency, right? So you can see kind of everything that's happening here. You can also see reporting on how your InstaSites are doing, right? But no, the days of like building websites are no longer there. Also, like using this as a prospecting tool to hook new people in. You can build a website for free and send it to a prospect and say, hey, I just built you a brand new website. Would you like to activate it? Maybe charge an activation fee. Or what we do is with our websites, the way that we use this use case is we actually include a free website in our Facebook ads packages or SEO packages or Google ads packages. So now imagine including this valued website at like $3,000 to $5,000. I mean, these websites are massive, guys, and they're beautiful websites, right? So if I go and I view this website as an example, like look how beautiful this is, right? And this is actually a landing page, which is cool too. So we also have landing pages. We have e-commerce templates, two-page, like I said, two-page landing site. So this is a landing page, right? And then we also have full-blown websites, right? Like this is like a full-blown website, right? So you can see like all the services, right? Like, and they're beautiful sites, right? And they get fully customized as you're building. So that's InstaSites. We also have InstaReports, which is think about it as a report card for a business. It's the easiest way I can think about it, right? So once again, same thing like InstaSites. You just go, you click New InstaReport, you just select a contact. Or by the way, guys, you can do InstaSites and InstaReports in bulk. You just upload a CSV file and you can build them out in bulk, and it all happens in the background, fully automated, right? You can upload a list of 100 and build it out, right? But this is InstaReports. Look how cool and look how powerful this is, right? I'm just going to move myself over here really quick, right? So it's literally taking their business information and it's going through all these different checkpoints and giving them an overall score, just like a report card, right? And it's showing them where they're listed online, where the reviews online and how they're stacking up to competitors, social media and how they're stacking up to competitors, how their website is performing, how their SEO is performing, how their Google ads are performing. And what this does is this essentially allows you to not guess what this person needs. In fact, we can say, hey, your Google ads campaigns are not doing good. We can definitely help you. Your website needs a little bit of help. We can rebuild you a new website. You can use InstaSites for that, right? Your social media is not good. Your reviews are not good. We can do reputation management for you, right? So you can get really creative, but this report spins up once again in like 10 seconds, hence the name InstaReports. You just literally fill out the form or you select a contact. It's super simple. We also have options really cool too, where you can add a form on your website. And you can have prospects fill out the form and build their own InstaReport, and it will email them and send them a message when the InstaReport is done, right? Fully automated as well. Same thing with InstaSites. So really, really cool there. Sites is pretty cool. So I'm actually going to go to our demo account for Sites so I can show you this. So let's say if you don't have a website for your agency, as an example, we have like 15 different templates that you can choose from. Like look how beautiful this template is as an example, right? And if you go here, this is actually an agency website, right? So if I go here, we use our own product, obviously, right? So look how beautiful our website is for social agency, right? So you can literally get a website, activate it on the spot. Okay, and just hook up your domain name. It'll take you 5 minutes and you're done. You got a brand new website, right? And it'll take all of your business information and inject it throughout the whole website and fully customize it to the point where you literally need to do nothing. You press a button and your website is live. That's it. That's how simple it is, right? And you can also get full-blown analytics reporting, so you can see how many people are visiting your website, how many form submissions, calls, all that good stuff, right? Across multiple different data points. So that's sites. Analytics is really cool too, so you can get a bird's eye view of everything. So we have all these integrations. We have integrations with Facebook ads, right? So you can see in full-blown integrations, guys. So you can see like campaigns, ad sets, ads, integration with SEO to track keywords, integration for listings, so you can track all of your listings. Google Analytics integration. We also have CallRail, call tracking metrics, Google Ads integration, TikTok ads integration. So like this is beautiful. So if you or your team of marketers are doing anything, you can get a bird's eye view of how all your campaigns are performing, right? So that's analytics. So once again, if you're using tools like Agency Analytics or any other analytics platform, you can get rid of those and you can just use DashClicks, right? Projects. So this is our project management system. This is basically where we manage all of our clients, but the cool part is this is built for agencies, right? So if I go to one of our customers, an example, so I can see any of their analytics. I can hook up all of their analytics here. I can see any of the forms. I can see their website. You can see this person has a website. I can edit their website or see their website analytics from right here, right? I can see any files or notebooks that was submitted on that specific customer, right? And I can see all of that right here inside of the dashboard, which is the beautiful part, right? So like any onboardings that I'm submitting, so you can see this person submitted their onboarding, right? And here it is. So it's all organized for you. We're also going to be adding a full-blown task management system in here as well. So if you're using things like maybe like Trello or Monday.com or ClickUp or any of those, like this will replace it, and it's built specifically for agencies. Like ClickUp doesn't have places where you can manage websites or see analytics of your customers and things like that, right? So super, super, super powerful, and that's our projects app, right? We also have full-blown reputation management, right? So if you're using like Birdeye or any of those other networks to manage reputation, you can pull in response. Right now we integrate with Google and Facebook, and we're coming out with tons of other integrations into other networks, but all your reviews get pulled into here. You can respond to your reviews in here. You can even send out review requests just with a click of a button. It'll send them a beautiful email and start collecting reviews. You can see that we start sending our customers review requests right here. You can also check the statuses of the review request, right? So we send Cliff a review request right here, and it looks like he opened it, and we also send him an email here, right? And there we go. Like you can see like Brian, right? We send Brian a review request, Brian right there, and we collect a review from Brian. So like you can see this is powerful. It's happening in real time. What's cool about this is you can even set up automations. So you can go into settings here and you can set up response templates and automation rules and just automatically respond back to all of your reviews. So just set it up and forget about it and you're done. That's a beautiful part about it. We also have our listings tab, which you can see all of your listings in here and manage all of your listings, manage the profile for your listings as well, synchronize it across all 70 different sources so you can start getting found online, full-blown reputation management reporting, and once again, you can see request tab. So like if you're using those other networks, like I said, like Birdeye or like any of those other networks for managing and responding to your reviews, you can cancel that and you can just use DashClicks. This is all included in the platform, right? Also, full-blown form builder. So if you're using like Jot forms or type forms or anything like that, you won't need to use that anymore either. You can just come in here and you can start building out forms. You can see like, just name a form, test, boom. And then I can just start dragging and dropping, right? And obviously, fully customizable. I can build out whatever I want. I can control the styles. I have tons of options here to track conversions and redirect on submission, like tons of really advanced feature. Also, we have tons of templates. We have like 450 form templates that you can choose. So like imagine just coming up here and you're like, hey, I want a survey. Cool. So you just come in here, you type in survey, or you can just, probably filter it down from here. And like, boom, I got the survey, can click preview and bam, survey's here for you. And you can just take that template and use it right away, right? So that's our form builder. We also have templates, which is our templates app. This is where you can create like email templates and SMS templates. You can see we have a bunch of like email templates and SMS templates that we're using, and you can use these in all of your automations. That's the beautiful part about it. You can also add personalization fields to fully customize your messaging, and start integrating these and have your team in sync for all your messaging. And then obviously we have our dashboard. Last but not least, this is basically a widget builder, so you can come in here and you can drag all these widgets and fully customize your dashboard for the way that you want to view it. But this gives you a bird's eye view of your whole business, right? So these are all of the apps right here, literally in a bird's eye view. Also, if you have sub accounts, we also have a way where you can add sub accounts. So like all the stuff I just told you, what's cool is you can pass it along to your sub accounts and charge your sub accounts for it and start making money and becoming a SaaS business, right? And you can just go in here and you can go in, all your sub accounts are right here. You can log into any sub accounts right there. And not to touch on it too much, but we are also we have a full-blown white label fulfillment center. So if you're an agency and you're doing fulfillment services like Facebook ads or Google ads, or you're selling these services, you can come in here and literally process your orders in here, okay? Usually the people who are using our fulfillment services are about 3 to 5x profit margin. So, you know, as an example, if we're charging $200 for Facebook ads, they're usually charging between $600 to $1,000 a month, right? And you can go in here and see everything. We also have tons of case studies and white labeled PDFs that you can use. We also have an order tracker, which is so cool. So as our team is literally doing work, and everything's fully automated, guys, it's just you submit your onboarding and it's done, right? And it's kind of like, think about it as like a pizza tracker, right? So like as our team is checking off tasks and doing work in the back end, you're getting notified in real time of what's happening, where your orders are. Like I can come in here and see this order for Google Ads is currently in the preliminary setup, right? And we're right now actually building this campaign out, right? So it's just fully automated, so hands off. Also with our fulfillment services, we give you dedicated account managers. You also get Slack access so you can communicate with our team. So like, look, the reality is, guys, if you're looking to start an agency or grow your agency, DashClicks is 100% the way to go. Okay, we are the only company in the entire world, and I can say that proudly, that does multiple things under one roof very well. Our technology is out of this world, enterprise level technology, okay, built for agencies by agencies, all right? And we are also doing full-blown white label fulfillment services, right? You usually, when you go to companies, it's like, hey, they're either a fulfillment company with no software or they're a software company with no fulfillment. We do both all under one roof, and this is also not a marketplace either. When you place orders from DashClicks, these are full-time DashClicks employees. This is not like going to another company and being outsourced. No, the people who are working on this are being trained by DashClicks. They go through our protocols. They have non-competes with DashClicks. So like everything is secure for you. You don't have to worry about like hiring freelancers and worrying if they're going to take your clients, or going on like Fiverr or Upwork and trying to go and hire a bunch of different people to work together as a team, right? You have like one guy doing your SEO, one guy doing your Facebook ads, and trying to like sync up reporting and stuff like that. Stuff is really hard to scale, right? DashClicks is the best platform for marketing agencies in the entire world, hands down. And here's what I'd like to do for you today. Okay, if you go to our website, so if I go to our website, I'd like to give you a special promotion. So if you go to our website and you go to pricing, you can see that we have different pricing options, right? We have our free plan, which just gives you like very basic stuff inside of the platform. You really can't do much in there. Think about that as like kind of like a test drive, right? But we have our Pro plan, our Plus plan, and our Premium plan. And I'll be honest with you guys, I don't think we have anybody on the Premium plan. Our hottest seller is our Plus plan and our Pro plan. Our Plus plan is what allows you to actually have all these automations and all the crazy stuff. So like what I was telling you before, it's like it's automating the contact creation and the deal creation, like doing all of those things. It just gives you a lot more, and it gives you tons more limits. So here's what I'd like to do for you. I want to do something fun and crazy for you, because I'd love for you to be in DashClicks forever, right? Because I really do think our platform can help you. So here's what I'd like to do. I'm going to give you the Plus plan of our platform, which is $299 per month, but you'll only have to pay $97 per month, right? So you'll pay $97 to get this plan, and you're going to be grandfathered in for life, right? So you're going to have this always, and it's very simple. There's no strings attached. It's really, really simple, guys. $97 a month, build monthly in USD, cancel at any time, it's month to month. That's it. You can control everything right inside of the platform. So like all your subscriptions and everything like that, if I go to like settings and I go to subscriptions, everything's managed right in here, and you can see that right here, like plus. So you'll basically be on this plan, but paying this price, and it'll be month over month. So I'm literally saving you. I'm not a math person, but that's like 3x savings or 2x savings or whatever that is, right? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a link to like a secret checkout page, and it's pretty simple. You just go there, you'll check out, you get billed $97 a month. Every month after that, you get billed $97 a month. And when you log into your account, you'll see that you'll actually be on the Plus plan with a coupon that we've added. So literally, you just pay $97 a month, and that's it. It's super simple, right? You never have to pay the $297 plan again. You get all the features of the Plus plan, okay? Now, the reality of it is we are running ads, and we're going to do this for a limited time until we get to a certain amount of users. So I'm not the person who likes to add scarcity or do crazy stuff, but obviously this offer is not going to last forever, right? So go ahead, click on the button below. What my recommendations to you is, if you're using any other agency platform right now, try us out for 1 month. I can guarantee you that our platform, it's kind of like driving a Lamborghini but paying for a Honda. Think about it like that, right? That's kind of the way that we wanted to build our ecosystem. We wanted to build the best ecosystem in the world for the best price, right? So that's what we're giving you today. And not only am I going to give you the best price, I'm going to give it to you at a discounted rate, a third of the price, right? So go ahead, click the button below, check out, try us out for a month. We also have full-blown support. So if you have any questions at any time, you can go into in-app help. You can schedule a demo. You can open up a live chat with our team. We also have full-blown phone support, so our phone number is right in here. If you want to call us, you can give us a call and have full-blown conversations with us about anything that you need help with. So we're here to support you in any way, shape, or form. Give us a try for 1 month, and I really look forward to working with you and seeing you excel with DashClicks. Have a good one. I'll go ahead and I'll leave that button below. Have a great day.